Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Joel Olonoluwayede, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community and one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This afternoon, I want to talk on doubt can't win. Doubt can't win. Regret looks back, doubt looks around, but faith looks up. I'm speaking directly to all members of the Kringle community. I want you to have faith. Let your faith be up. To every one of us is given portion of doubt in everything we do or we plan to do. That is what makes us human. We will never be able to get all the facts that we need to make every decision. Even if we do, the rule will always change. We all have our doubts. Yeah, that's sure. The tendencies to doubt is ever with us, but the challenge is not to allow our doubts to win. Your doubts have no power to take action. All they can do is to scare you a little, enlarge the negatives, and prevent you from taking action. But right inside of you, you got that enough power to surmount your doubt. If your doubt win, it is because you allowed it. Doubt on its own cannot win. Yes, doubt on its own cannot win. You don't have to take arms against your doubts. Great men and women in the past and the contemporary times are not known to fight their doubts. They simply ignore them. Most of the times, your doubt does not exist anywhere else except in your imaginations. Its major assignment is to paralyze your thinking and prevent your progress. It gives you a gun to shoot yourself. If you do, it wins. If you don't, you win. Hello, friends. Left alone, your doubt can't win. It has succeeded so far in your life because you cooperate with it. It will always need your support to win over you. Will you continue to give it? Learn to disregard your doubt. Keep in mind that your doubt is just your thought and that if you don't stop to attend to it, it will stop pasturing your life. Keep moving. Your doubts can't win. Guys, for as many who are doubting what the Kringle community will become, doubting all what the admin of the TBC says, now you can all see. So it is high time that you kill your doubt. Don't allow that doubt to get over you. So, guys, let your faith be up. K-Love has indeed proved that TBC is sure. K-Love has feed the poor. K-Love is feeding the poor. K-Love cares. So, guys, all the evidences and even the last one that happened in Bangladesh is a testimony to the fact that yes, we can make it and we are going to make it. So, guys, get on board. If you are still dilly-dallying, still procrastinating, still doubting what the TBC can offer or is offering, guys, kill that doubt and come on board. Have faith, join us, and let us build this world. Let us make this world a better place. Let us eradicate poverty completely in our midst. Thank you. Don't forget, the TBC community is open to all. It's open to all. So come on board, join us. If you want to join, there's a link below this video. Click on that link, subscribe. And it's also called the line. You can also join our Telegram and just for any question that you have, we attend to you. So guys, come on board. I look forward to see you. And don't forget, just press that bell by your right hand side and subscribe to this channel for subsequent and more updates. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you. TBC is my birthright.